got to deal with Charles and that his useless wife. By the time I'm done dealing with both of them, Charles will have no option than to take me in as his wife. I know that nobody dares me and goes away with it.
What is her face? Obogini komero akwalele iyo. Jay, see begin we no do anything no. Jay, she not deserve for this ugly incident. What is her face? Obogini komele joy. Aline mwa bialo Jay. Mama they waiting one day my pikin go return, but she never knows that she will live if Mama they thinking my pikin no don't go school, but she no say na miraba go no pure. Oh this is sad Jay. Matana, unyekaya juno, Jay, ifeme, nano wabiali cheo, iyo, alini buna wabialo, iyo. What is her face? Obogini komero, akwalele, iyo. Jay, see begin. We no do anything no. Jay, she not deserve for this ugly incident. What is her offense? Obogini komele joy. Aline mwa bialo. Jay, Mama they waiting one day my pikin go return, but she never knows that she will live if Mama they thinking my pikin no don't go school, but she no say na miraba go no pure. Oh this is sad Jay. Matana unyekaya juno Jay ifeme.
Don't say a word. You're the architect of everything that's going on in my life right now. Don't say a freaking word. I said don't say a word! Because of you, I'm about to lose my job. You know what? Just get out. Get out! This woman is about to ruin everything I worked so hard for. You killed the innocent girl and you refuse to accept the fact that you did that.
I just want to tell you that I did not kill Cheta. I did not kill her. Here.
forget it. Okay, I served the plates first. Then I got water and the glass cup.
What's going on? You told me dinner was ready.
Yes, yeah.
Where is it?
Something was here. I served the food. I don't know. I served the food. 1 minute, let me check again.
Hold on. Are you telling me you don't have dinner?
There is dinner. I cooked. You know, I made food and I served it here. I don't know what's happening. I don't know.
Are you sure you're alright?
I am alright. I'm alright. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. The food is not in the kitchen. The plates are not even there. Nothing. Baby, trust me. I came with the plates first, the spoons, and then I came with the water, the drinking glasses, and I came with the main.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what I know what I'm talking about. It's just, okay.
And what are you looking for, Daddy?
The food. I'm looking for the food.
Are you sure you're right? Are you sure the act you committed is not after you? Eh? How can you be looking for food under the table? Good night.
How? Let me check again.
Wait. That madam is your sister. I never see her for some time now. Sit down. Because now she they come carry food give me like she they serve me. But now madam they use her hand. Now she go say, carry food come. What you do?
Silas!
Madam!
Please come take your food.
Oh, yeah. Madam, thank you. Thank you. God bless you, ma. Hey, Madam, no vessel. You get something I say, make I ask you. Hey, I beg, your small sister. You don't know why I see him for this house. What happen? I hope say problem not there.
She's fine. She's okay.
Ah, it's okay. She's fine. She's okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the food, yeah? God bless you. Madam! This one I garnish with salad. Now you use our something. Now you get this one. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Hey. Take it. This is a lamp. For what? I need more work. This woman. What is this? First, I don't jump this in. I come and say, "Naves." Eh? Hey, work. I know that.
What is our fight? Obogine kamero akwalele iyo. Jay, see begin no not do anything no. Jay, she not deserve for this ugly incident. What is our fight?
Why is this girl calling me? I've warned this girl so that to stop calling me. What is it? Yes, what is it? What do you want? Why are you calling me?
Mama, they wait till one day my picking go return.
Yes, come in.
So, the GM asked that you see his office immediately.
Alright, I'll bring him shortly. How do I explain to him that I've not seen the files yet?
Hi, handsome. Your worst nightmare, girls. Why did you call the phone on me?
Have I not wanted you to stop coming here? You made me call the police on you.
Chill. I guess you don't want through the incident. Don't need to worry. I'll go, but I'll be back. So please, check out on that.
Get out of my office now. Get out.
Hey, chill. Relax. Oh my God.
But she never knows. Nadia will live if Mama, they thinking my picking no don't go school. But she nana say, na miraba gonna be a
I thought you said you've called Charles like I instructed.
Yes, I did, sir. He said he was coming.
He was coming?
Yeah. Is there, sir?
You may leave now.
Sam, yeah.
Charles, I've sent for you for about 80 minutes now that you're just coming, no?
I'm so sorry.
Never mind. That letter says that your services are no longer needed in this company.
Sir, please.
You may leave my office now.
Sir, please, I beg you.
Get out of my office before I get the security.
Sir, please think about this.
Young man, leave my office!
Sir, please.
Do you get out of my office, my friend? Get out! Incompetent fool. Look at him. You can now go home and become a nanny to your wife. You're lazy about you don't come to you just come to work anytime you like. Do whatever you like. What the hell was he thinking?
Oh, hi. Oriak. I can see you already prepared for the market. Market. Oriak, I want to take this thing to go and visit my children at city. Huh? Let me go and visit my daughter at the city.
So open my bed, I won't have known you are going to the city to visit your daughter. I would have followed you now. I can't see my daughter now.
Oriaku, you worry too much. You worry too much. See, your daughter, your granddaughter is fine. I spoke with Mirabel last night and she said your daughter is fine. In fact, she went and visited her yesterday at the school.
She went to the school and visited her and she did not call me to talk to my daughter. And she promised me that whenever she gets to the school, she will call me so I'll talk to my daughter. Although as a no man, no.
I remember that she promised you that, but please don't worry, I'm going to the city. I will make sure you speak with your granddaughter. Yes.
You have to wait to let me go and prepare and follow you to the city. I need to see Chetanwam. I've been bothered all this while. I've been worried. I've not spoken with her. I've not seen her. Give me the mate to her.
Oriako, you worry so much. You worry over nothing. I'm going to the city. I will personally make your granddaughter to speak with you. Organo, we will be talking one-on-one. Because you calm down. Stop disturbing yourself. Don't worry, when I get to the city, you speak with your granddaughter. I
don't want. Call the kiss.
I promise.
Call the kiss. Elisa. Call the kiss.
I promise you.
If I hadn't gone to Elisa's house, I wouldn't have known she was traveling to the city. Did she give something from me? Okay, let me wait until she gets to the city. I'm going to hear my daughter's voice. Yes, I can't wait to hear my daughter's voice. Hi.
This one will be enough. Hi. Oriako's incessant of disturbance to hear from her granddaughter is really becoming an issue. And each time I ask Mirabel, she will say Chetana is fine. The way she responds always gives me concern. That is why I need to visit her. Yes, I have to visit her without her or her husband's notice. Let me not say or assume anything now until I get there. Yeah, man is all up here. Come on now.
Babe, what's the problem? Since you came back, you've been like this. You don't even want to talk to me. What is it? What?
Yes. I do not understand what's going on in my life anymore. Ever since you killed that innocent girl, my life has been upside down. And now, I just lost my job.
Why are you talking like this, eh? I don't understand.
Well, that's because you've refused to tell me the truth!
There is no truth. No truth.
I'm sick and tired of keeping that girl's corpse in the morgue. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to the village to tell her grandmother what happened to her grandchild.
No. Please, honey.
Don't.
You can't do that.
Don't! Of course I can.
Baby, please. Baby, please. I didn't do any... God. I didn't kill... Baby, please. Honey, please. I did not kill Cheta. You need to listen.
Who be that again now? Who be that for this afternoon? Who be that?
My friend, come and open this gate.
Go. Who be that? Come, jump. Who cannot say that now? Go, who get out Mora? You shout to my territory. You know what? Even say my friend, don't the fire, you idiot! Hey, Chineke, Mama. Mama, no verse. Hey, Chineke, go. Hey. Mama, sorry, I don't know that you're sorry.
So, now...
I don't know that you that. I just know this.
I also saw what different.
People there. I just know this wood is a wood. I don't know if you now. I don't know if you can say that fire you. I don't want. Mama, welcome. Good to have you.
Oh. So how are you, my daughter?
Mama, I'm fine.
You're really fine.
Yeah. Mama, you didn't tell me about your coming here. Why? Why didn't you tell me?
So go do welcome. Zakwanum ask me welcome first. And answer the question I ask you. What about Chetana?
Mama, listen, I'm not saying you should not come here. It's just that you should have called me now. You know, tell me that you were coming here.
To come to your house, your mother should take permission. Mba, I should follow the process.
No, I'm just saying that I don't want my husband coming home. He will see you and then he feels that I know about your coming.
No, are you the one saying this? Your mother in your house. Is there anything you are hiding from me? No, is there something you are trying to hide or you don't want me to know? Why will you be saying, asking me, making this kind of statement?
Mama, I don't understand it. What would I possibly be hiding from you?
Is that not work now? Answer it by yourself. Your own mother in your own house. I should take permission. Bring them. Come and show me where I will keep them. People will be happy that their mother keeps visit. Your own, you're asking me where I should follow the process. That's good. Come and show me the room.
I don't understand this. I spoke with my mother yesterday night. She didn't tell me she was coming to my house. The way she's even asking me of Cheta. Is she now suspecting me like Cheta's grandma? Mama.
No, he's sitting here. Come and show me the way I will carry my things into inside now. What if I where are you going? What kind of thing is it? People are happy that their mother came to see. You're only, you're just you're just burning.
So why didn't you tell me your mother was coming?
I didn't know she was coming in.
And how am I supposed to know that?
I don't understand it. Do I have any reason to hide her coming from you?
Why is she here?
She's your mother-in-law. When you see her, you ask her.
Don't you think she's here because of Cheta? Do you think I would lie to her when she asks me about Cheta?
What did you say?
No, I'm asking you, do you think I would lie to her?
Do I think you will lie to her? Are you seriously asking me that?
You expect...
Hey, Ogo. My in-law.
Mama.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, no. Welcome. Sorry, I came unannounced. I said, let me come and visit you people.
It's nothing, Mama. You can bash in here anytime you want. This is equally your house.
Yeah, I
love
Yes. Thank you very much. Because I thought the school is on holiday and the children are home. So what about Chetana? I have not seen her. Cheta?
Mama, Chetana had, yes, this holidays, but their own school, they had theirs last week.
Last week? Hi. That's someone wanted to talk. I would have come last week.
Yeah, but she actually went back to school on Sunday.
It's all right. No problem. Let me go and freshen up. I'll go.
Mama.
It's not that I started seeing him. Go and look for what you need.
How long do you intend to keep up with this? These lies? Don't you think the next thing she's gonna ask is you take her to Cheta's school? Listen, I advise you to start planning your confession. You must tell her what happened to Chita.
Sorry?
You heard me?
I should start planning. I alone.
Of course.
What happened to us? Thought we were in this together.
Right now.
And someone tell me what's going on.
How can the food we are eating just disappear? Eh? This is a bad omen.
Mama, what do you mean by bad omen? What?
There is something wrong in this house.
Mama. There's nothing wrong with this house.
So, how did the food just disappear?
I don't know. This is just the first time this is happening.
I can't explain this. Excuse me.
Mama?
What is going on in this house?
Mama, nothing is going on. I don't know. This is just the first time something like this is happening. I can't explain.
What is her face? Obogini kamere akwalele iyo. Jay, see begin to not do anything new. Jay, she not deserve for this ugly incident. What is her face? Obogini kamere Joy.
Why is my phone ringing?
Mama, they wait one day my picking go return. But she never knows. Nachia will live Mama, they thinking my picking no don't go school. But she no say na miraba go no be oh, this is sad, Jay. Matana, unyeka ya chuno, Jay, ifeme. Mwabiali cheo, iyo. Alinibuna mwabialo wawa.
Everything just disappeared.
What?
Disappeared to where? How do I... Hey, this is so wrong.
Mama, you're still awake.
Yes, I want to talk with you. Where is your husband?
It's in our room.
Is there something you're not telling me?
Something like... no, there's nothing. Something like what?
I'm talking about what happened at the dining. Such thing happened and your husband is not doing anything about it. Eh?
Mama, I don't understand. What do you want my husband to do about it? It happened right in front of everybody. What reason do you want me to give? What explanation do you want him to give to you?
My dear, what happened at the dining was not ordinary. Yes, Ifafa Walaka.
What do you mean?
Are you sure that your husband is not into something mischievous?
I don't understand. What are you talking about? What do you mean?
Makife men are dining. Yes, what happened there was not ordinary or baraka. Say again. Eh?
Mama, please. I know my husband. I know him. He is clean. He's not into anything mischievous. Him mischievous, they have no connection at all.
I see. How Pagonia? I know he's your husband, you know. Eh? You might not know him too well as you thought. Eh? Pico, just listen what I just said. Check it very well. Check that here, check it to lay a masachaya. Gigota. Oh, ma'am. You need to think. Think. If I were against you. Anyasa. Shut your eye. Well.
What is going on? This is the third time. Something is falling off my hand this afternoon. And it's a very, very bad sign. Very bad omen. I think I have not fallen like she promised. Mama! Okay.
My father is dying. He has not been himself since the day he arrested you with the police.
What happened?
Mama, I don't know. He's feeling pains. He asked me to call you. He needs to ask you for forgiveness.
I don't understand.
Mama, please, you need to follow me. Please, you need to see my father.
Mama, I have nothing to do with what is happening to him.
Mama, I know that you have no hands in it. Please, you need to follow me. Eh? You need to ask you for forgiveness. Mama, please. Please.
I said I don't know what is happening.
Mama, I know that you had no hands in it. Please, can you go with me, please? Mama, please. Can we talk?
What is going on now? What is going on? Eh?
I want it tight and sent to them immediately.
Okay, sir.
When I say immediately, I mean immediately.
Okay, sir.
Like this. Check who's on the door.
Okay.
Oh.
Mr. Charles, sir.
Mr. Charles?
Yes.
What does he want?
I don't know.
Let him in.
Okay, sir.
Good day, sir. Mr. Charles, sir. How are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
You're not fine?
Yes. Ever since I lost my job, it has been terrible for my family and I. So I thought it wise to come and see if I can get my old job back.
Well, Mr. Charles, I'm very sorry for that. And getting your job back, that also won't be possible because your office has been taken over by someone else.
So I don't care about the office. I don't mind starting all over again, please.
I am sorry. There is nothing I can do about that. There is another thing I can do for you, Mr. Charles.
What about being your secretary, sir?
Mr. Charles, is there any other thing I can do for you?
No, sir.
All right then. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. What thing they happen now? The thing will they happen and they affect me. And they affect me from eating. Up till now, I never see Madam's small sister. For this house, what could happen? My mind, they tell me say something they wrong in this house. Because no matter now they use a hand, they do everything. Madam go use a hand cook. Madam go use a hand carry food because say, salad come home. carry your food. We'll be say in small sister day. Chero, they don't send them go back to village when I don't know. Is it possible? We are going to go now. Maybe this outside there. And they will carry and come out to I don't know. It's impossible. I'm going to see open gate. If anything happens, hey, Salas, open gate, carry the gate. But it don't happen. Well, it concern me. But it concern me because for this house, anything will happen. And this gate will follow. No gate will be for back. We'll be saying like it's KP, I hear. So it concern me. It concern me. No. We'll be there. No. Wait, because of what they have, make Madam carry this nonsense give me like this. Nah, I don't have to do something. If I meet, I'm not going to say, Madam, you see no benefit with that. You go cause another thing. So they collect salad, they collect food. Anytime we're something hungry, we will use my money to go buy food. Make so. I'm going to open for her for a message. So next to say now. She don't see that small sister now will serve me this food. This meat will there for. Now, oh! I see. Don't follow you. Go! Go! Come!
Hey, honey. Food is ready.
Did you by chance see the money I kept in the drawer? 300,000.
No, the money was there this morning.
Someone must have taken it.
Who? It's just you and I in this house.
I've ransacked everywhere in this house. I can't find it.
I saw it this morning and I did not take it.
It's just me and you in this house. Who else? Huh?
Are you by any means saying that I stole your money?
Listen, I want that money back after breakfast. All of it. Excuse me.
I don't understand this. What sort of nonsense is this? Is it?
All the strange things happening in this house. It's not fun of you at all, Baraka. Something is wrong somewhere, definitely. And each time I ask her about Chetana, the way she reacts is something I'm yet to understand. Anyway, I'm here now. I'm here to find out what is going on.
Mama! Mama, you dead yet? Yeah. Mama, I greet you.
How you doing?
I did fine, ma. How are you, ma?
I'm okay.
How about village people?
They are fine as at the time I left them.
You know,
how is your work?
We dey fine, you know, say, they tell person say, anything we person, maybe person they talk to they do, and go say, you are village people.
They do am bad.
How village people?
My dear, they are fine. They are right.
Eh, Mama, I beg no vex. You get something I say make I ask you. Now because of Madam small sister.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
What
are you doing here?
No, I just
come and get back to your duty post. Get out!
Yes, ma'am.
Mirabel, Why are you sending me away?
Mama, is he supposed to be here? Is here his duty post?
What are you two talking about? He even made himself comfortable. See, let me not get you here again. Rubbish.
Yeah?
Papa, she's coming. Yes, she's coming. Papa, Mama is here. She's here.
Okay, William. No, Mama. Please forgive me. Forgive me. William, please forgive me.
What is the problem? Why are you asking for my forgiveness?
William, please. Ask her to forgive me. Please forgive me.
I don't understand. What have you done?
William, please. The pain is too much on me. It's too much on me. I will die here. Please forgive me. Forgive me, please. Forgive me. Hey, I'm begging you. Please forgive me.
Talk now. Talk.
Hey, promise me you forgive me. Promise me you forgive me. Cheta's spirit has been chasing me around. Has been chasing me to confess.
I don't get you.
Yes.
My daughter is not dead. So why is that spirit tormenting you or chasing you, whatever way?
Okay, will not.
Eh?
You won't understand. You won't understand. Her spirit has been pushing me to confess. Just promise me you will forgive me after confession. Yes.
Papa, can you stop this? Can you just start talking? What do you have to do with Cheta? Hey, Papa.
Hey, my daughter, please ask her to forgive me after confession, unless I will die.
Talk! Talk!
Hey, please.
Mama, please. Can you tell him that you will forgive him? Mama,
I want to hear what he has done. Let him talk first.
Mama, please. It's the only one I have. Please, I don't want to be an orphan.
Please.
Please. Please, Mama.
Please, promise me you forgive me. And then I'll talk.
Baba, yes, start talking. Start talking.
I am dying, please. The pain is too much on me. Please forgive me. Promise me you forgive me, I will confess. Please. Hey! It's all over me. It's all over me. Hey! I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Aye. Oriak, please. Please, William. I will die here.
Go, you again. When temptation comes, what is it? Like said the world didn't end in none.
No, you get what you forget for this. What is the problem? Come, look on here. And I don't you come and say, go, I want to ask you, what is the problem? What? I said, get down. You know what?
It's alright. It's like you're stupid though.
You don't fear that is happening. Come, yes. I said, what do we hey, go ahead. Get on, what do we do that? Come. Giddy!
Stand on my way then you see what I do to you.
Come, what is that? Let me push, come on.
It's like this madness is entering your head though.
Oh God, make I tell you, this is my territory. Now maybe the gatekeeper of this house. And if I say you don't go enter this house, nothing on earth will ever make me. Let me push.
I'm just losing my patience. So
stop that fire. You can't go.
I will slap you now.
I will make you slap. Come here.
Leave me alone, child. What's going on?
When depression comes, it could be like said the world didn't end in none. When confusion comes,
what the hell are you doing here?
And what was that embarrassment for? In front of your gate man.
For the last time, what are you doing in my house?
Charles, what else if not to see you anyway? And we need to settle this issue once and for all.
What are you talking about?
Well, the relationship which you dumped over your woman or your wife.
Rita, I'm warning you for the last time. Stay the hell away from me. The next time I see you in this house, I swear to God, I'm going to get you arrested.
You will not do anything. That will not be possible. Because I cannot leave you for that idiot you call a wife.
Rita, I never promised you marriage. Really? What the hell is wrong with you?
Well,
you leave me with no option than to go to the police station.
What are you talking about? Police station to do what?
Oh, you need me to remind you that you need to explain to the police what happened to that innocent girl? You think I'm dumb? Okay.
What innocent girl?
This is what I'm talking about. Can you see it? Oh. Well, maybe you thought I don't know. I'm giving you 3 days to throw that idiot out of your house. On the 4th day, I will return and take my place as a wife. Have a good day.
So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, it's still bad.
Papa, Papa, Mama has agreed to forgive you. Can you talk now?
Yes. I don't know how to start. It is too heavy to say.
Mama, can you tell him to talk?
Oji, talk. I'm listening.
Oh, please forgive me. Forgive me. Hey, it's too heavy to say. Too heavy to say.
Papa, say it.
I killed Barnabas and his pregnant wife. Yes, I killed him. Hey, forgive me.
Papa, wait. Chetana's parents?
Yes. I sent the toilet and I killed both of them. I killed them so that I can hate my late brother's properties. Hey! Oriako, forgive me. Hey!
Oji! It would never be well with you.
Hey! Oriako, my wife. Please, forgive me. You promised to forgive me after the confession. I'm sorry for what I have done. Please, my wife, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Oh, you're so wicked. Papa, you are mean. How could you?
I don't know I'm wicked. Then the devil lured me into this act. I have realized my mistakes and I'm ready to amend my ways. Please, please now. Hey! Come and forgive me now. Else I will die in this condition. Oh!
I am so disappointed.
Hey, Mama. I'm done becoming. Don't be disappointed.
Papa.
Don't be disappointed. I don't want to die.
Papa, I didn't know that you're this wicked. I don't mind being an orphan.
Hey.
Yes, I don't. Because you deserve no forgiveness. You will die.
Hey! I was acquiring this land for you.
What land? Did I ask you to acquire any land?
Don't hate me. I was acquiring the land for you. Hey! I thought I know I loved you. Hey! Oriako, come and forgive me. Else I will die in this condition.
Yo, joy. When temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in no night. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, oh. It's still bad, oh. It's still bad, oh. Confusion bad, oh yeah. I say bad, oh. Sila.
I don't get it. Huh? I don't know the meaning of all this. Does it mean I'm going to stay hungry today? Hi. Hey. Don't go down, sit down. Huh? How come that all the food you made this morning and dropped on the dining table disappeared.
Sincerely speaking, I'm confused as you are.
Mama, Julia, you are confused. I don't confuse. Yes, I am not confused at all. Because me, I am not confused. I told you. Yes, I told you. But you don't want to reason with me. So what wrong?
Mama, it's not like I don't want to reason with you. It's just that I said my...
No, don't go there. How am I going to future you? I know what you want to say. You want to start defending the way you used to do as usual. Yeah? Leave it. It's okay. I am not doubting you. Just go get ready. Take me to her school. I need to see her. And also let her grandmother hear from her. You go?
But Mama, you see, today is not visiting days. She's in a boarding school. And visiting days for this month has passed. Visiting days next month.
Mirabel.
We can't see her.
Mirabel also calling me. No, don't you get me angry. Don't you dare provoke me. You can go and get ready and take me there. When I get to the school, I will explain myself to them. I came from the village. I want to see her. What is difficult inside there?
No, it's not. But it's not possible. It's not difficult, but it's not possible, Mama.
How?
You can't just go to the school and start explaining these things. There are days people come to visit.
Mirabel, stand up. Enter inside house now and get ready and take me to Children's school.
I don't understand even why you want to.
That is what I promised her mother. That when at the school, she will hear her daughter's voice. Never. Go and get ready. Your mother wear your clothes. Okay, ready? Take me to Children's. Is it a big deal? It's not a big deal. You want to go to Iwo? Okay.
So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala. Make it no come knocking on your door. That time is about no deal. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what you don't end in no. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word
Silas!
make confusion.
Silas!
Ma?
Will you come here? Come here!
Okay.
Why haven't you come to water today?
How
long will you get to go to the market and pump water?
Sorry.
What was that for?
And why did you call him? I don't understand, Mama. Silas is a worker here. He hasn't pumped water today. He needs to do his job. Allow him to do his job.
This is because of this little discussion I'm having with you.
I don't understand.
No, then tell me, how am I stopping him from doing his job?
Mama, Silas is a worker here. Let him do his job. That's all. What is he discussing there with you?
You see.
So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala.
No, the water don't pop. I don't pop.
Please shut up. What were you discussing with my mother? What were you two talking about?
Chineke, nothing.
What do you mean nothing? What do you mean nothing? I saw the two of you talking. She was saying something. You were actually responding. What were you telling her? What was she asking you?
The thing is that she was asking me to...
To what? To what?
Your small sister. She did ask me when I see him last. That's your mother. She won't know when I see your small sister last.
Silas, what did you tell her?
Nothing, nothing. I never answer him when you come me say. No, true. I never answer him when you come me say make I come. I don't answer, but you can't call me. I don't talk anything. As you call me, Pia, now I come answer you.
Okay. You listen, you see this house?
Yes, ma'am.
This particular house?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Better be very careful. You better be very careful. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala. Make it no come knocking on your door. That time is about no deal. When temptation comes, it could be like say what you done.
Aroka, please help me. Aroka, help me. Help me. I'm dying. Neko. Aroka, you're carrying your bag. Where are you going to?
Papa, I am leaving you for good.
Leaving me?
I can't live with a wicked man like you.
Hey, Aroka, you're leaving me. Please don't leave me. If you leave me, I will die here. Please don't. Eh? 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 Hey.
In fact, you deserve death. Just die, Papa.
Eh? Your father?
I'm
still your father.
You're not my father.
I'm still your father. Aaron! Aaron! Aaron, come back! Oh! Hey! I will die alone in this house. Aaron! Hey! Oh! My daughter has left me. So I'm going to die here just like this. Aaron, come on. Aaron, come on. Aaron, oh. Hey! Oh! You're just Ranja.
Oji. Oji. Oji, it will be well with you. Oji, I'm not looking more. I'm not looking more. Hi! Oji, it will never be well with you. Your family and generation to come. I'm not doing now. Oji, you have 1 weekend. You have 1 weekend. Ah! Now, 1 weekend. Now, 1 weekend, Oji. Hi! And may your soul never find peace for what you did to me. You went up on one Nike. Audrey. You will die a sorrowful death. You will die a sorrowful death, Audrey. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Mirabel, what is keeping Mirabel, eh? Hey, she knows we had an appointment to take me to Chetana school, and she's just wasting my time, eh? I've been waiting for some minutes now. Let it not be what I'm thinking. I hope she's not avoiding me. I hope she's not just playing pranks. Okay. Hey, Onyekwa. Who is this? Hi. Odiak is calling me. Hey, what will I tell her? What will I tell her? Okay, I will tell her that I'm on my way to Chetana school. Hello? What is it?
Mama, I don't know, my tummy hurts. It hurts so bad. I don't know when it started.
Mirabel.
Mama.
Your tummy is hurting you?
Yeah. Yes.
Mirabel.
Mama.
Are you sure you are not trying to postpone this visit to Cheta school? Mirabel.
Mama, what do you mean? I'm telling you that my tummy hurts. You're talking about Cheta school, eh?
Because you never told me that you're having stomach ache. All of a sudden your stomach started hurting you.
Mama, why are you shouting? You're shouting too much. Does Cheta school now and my tummy? Which one is more important? Is Cheta school more important than my tummy? I'm telling you, my tummy.
Sorry. I should go and get you water to drink.
I don't know.
Let me get you water so you take enough water. Water is medicine. When you take it, to flush off all those things that is paining your tummy. I should go and get you water now.
Mama, maybe you get water. Let me just try and lie down.
Lie down, but drink the water, then get dressed and take me where.
Mama, my tummy, stop this thing now. Just get the water, cold water, so that it will calm my intestine down. Let me just go and lie down and wait for you.
Okay. Let me go and get you water.
I'm restless and speechless. Fight my battle for me. I'm strong. Fight my battle for me. God of vengeance. Fight my battle for me. God of miracle, fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. Fight my battle for me. God of vengeance, fight my battle for me. God of miracle, fight my battle for me. I'm restless, I'm speechless. Fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. Fight my battle for me. God of miracle, fight my battle for me. God of vengeance, fight my
What is it?
The song sounds like Cheta's voice.
What song are you talking about?
Listen.
Where is it?
It's coming from within this house, I suppose.
This house? How?
I don't know, but it's her voice.
Cheta? Oh my God.
It's not very clear.
I need to go find out.
God of miracle, fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. God of miracle, fight my battle for me. God of vengeance, fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. Fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. Fight my battle for me. God of vengeance, fight my battle for me. God of miracles, fight my battle for me. I am restless, I am speechless. Fight my battle. God of miracles, fight my battle for me. God of vengeance, fight my battle for me. I'm speechless.
Rita, what are you trying to do? You want Charles to divorce his wife and marry you? Come on, baby girl. Charles is my man. And no woman can take him away from me. And you think he will divorce his wife and marry you? Well, he has already done that. Just watch out and see. Well, I don't know what is giving you the confidence, but I must advise you as my friend. Forget about this. Charles that I know will never leave his wife to marry you. He loves his wife so much. Really? Of course. Well, that which you think is impossible has already been done. Oh yes. Hold on, my phone is ringing. Wow. Talk of the devil. Guess who is calling?
And who is that?
My Charlie boy. So just hold on. Hi Charles, good morning. Oh really? I'm at my friend's place. You can come over.
No, meet me at Accra bus stop. Next 30 minutes.
Okay. I'll be there soon.
Rita, and what do you think is the reason that he wants to see you?
What else if not the matter on ground?
Babe, you just have to be very careful with this guy. I know why I'm saying this. You are my friend. You just have to be careful. I have said my own.
Sweetheart, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay? At this point, Charles is my toy boy. So whatever I want him to do is as good as done. So, don't worry. Let me go and see him. I'll see you soon.
It's okay.
Okay, baby. Check me out. Tell me, what do I look like?
You're looking so beautiful.
Come on, girl. I'll see you when I'm back, okay?
Alright, dear. Take care. Be careful.
When temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation not come to you.
What's the good news?
How did you get those pictures?
Does it matter how I got the pictures? The truth is your wife killed the innocent girl and both of you concealed it.
What were you doing in my house on that day?
Well, I was never in your house. And that's the truth. Anyway, what about what we discussed?
I want to pay you off. Name your amount.
You think it's about the money? You can give that to your so-called wife. Let her use it and take it work. I'm moving in tomorrow, and that is it.
I'm going to make you regret this.
Really? Are you threatening me? We'll see to that.
When temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, You see everything starts crashing down. So person where the world make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the world make you pray, make temptation
tell her where you kept her. Tell her where you and your husband dropped her.
What's going on here?
What is going on here is that you and your wife have to call Oriako back and tell her where you kept her daughter. Yes, because she has been disturbing me, and I promised her that once I get to this place, I'll go and visit her daughter. Both of them will talk on phone. Because your boy, call her.
Mama, I would like you to give my wife and I a minute to talk about this and then get back to you.
Yes. Charles.
Mama.
Where is Cheta? Tell me what you did with Cheta, because I've seen the kind of man you are. Yes! Hey! Don't you just stop me. Because your husband here is a ritualist. Yes!
What kind of joke is that, Mama?
You know, any joke. I am not joking with you. Please, people should tell me where Cheta is. Tell me where to go and see her. Let me go. Even if you people don't have time, I can make her time and go and see her. Please. Because her mother has been worried. Eh? What is so difficult in it? Where is Cheta now? Where is she?
Mama, I believe your daughter here is in the best position to answer that question.
Babe, what's up?
Oh, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. I just stepped out to get something. Is it been long you came back?
Just a while ago.
Okay. So, how did he go? What did he tell you?
Well, I'm moving into Charles' house tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Is that what he told you?
I don't care what he said. The only thing I cared about is I am moving in. That's final.
Wait, babe. I don't understand. Are you moving in by force?
Force or no force, I am moving into Charles' house. And he's sending that useless woman out of his house. That's final.
Hey, you surprise me these days. Because you that I know always beg Charles to take you back. What is giving you this confidence?
Well, I'm a confident woman. And besides, days of begging Charles are over. So, I have Charles here in my palms. So he will do basically everything I want him to do. So don't worry. Oh my God.
You have to believe me. I did not kill her. I didn't.
Is this why you have been disturbed? Now I know the reason you have been restless.
No, Mama.
How do I tell her? How am I going to tell her that her daughter has been killed?
No, Mama, you don't need to tell her, Mama, please. You don't need to tell her. Just wait. Let's find out who killed her. Please. Please.
So you want me to hide it just the way you and your husband did? Akwea? No! Tell me! Tell me how Cheta will be murdered in this house! And you and your husband did not know what happened to her.
Oh, Mama, I don't know. My husband was at the office and I was here in the house. Coming down, I saw Cheta in a pool of her own blood in front of the kitchen. I don't know who killed her. If I knew, why would I be here? I would have told you sis. We will hide it so that we'll start looking for who killed her. Please, Mama.
Ha! She will leave future. Ofum ranya ija foso. The only thing left for her after the mysterious death of her son and his wife. How do I explain this? What is the meaning of life? Listen, Mirabel. You and your husband should go and take Cheta's body home. This is wickedness. Mama. If I'm a watcher, wickedness.
Mama, we're innocent. We're innocent. I'm telling you the truth. We're innocent.
You just close your mouth for me. You are innocent. Innocent or the camera. No, you are innocent. You are innocent and you are hiding it from me. You've been lying to me that Cheta is in school, whereas her body is lying in the mortuary. Eh? Why didn't you report to the police so that they will do the investigation? Why?
Mama, we jailed though.
For the fact you hid Cheta's death, I'm going to the village to tell Oriako. Yes.
Mama, please, you cannot do that.
I will not do it.
Mama, please, I did not kill you. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. Hey, God, Mama, how am I going to explain myself? I did not kill her, Mama. Please believe me. Hey, God, please. It's time you come and rescue me, Mama. Mama, please. Mama, because I did not kill Cheta. Oh, God, please.
You never told me that your father is dead. And I also learned that you ran away from the house and abandoned the man on a sick bed just like that. Why? Why?
Chinedu, please, don't remind me of my father.
Excuse you? I beg your pardon. Is that something you're not telling me? Come and talk to me, we are friends. What is it? Why did you do such thing?
Chinedu, yes. I ran away from home and I vowed never to return home when I discovered how heartless and wicked my father was. I didn't know my father can act such a way.
Sorry, what did he do to you?
He's wicked.
Wicked?
Chinedu, I was lost for 10 minutes. I thought I was in another world. I trusted my father so much. I can vow for him not to hurt a fly. He killed a man and his pregnant wife.
God, this is terrible. I mean, how could he commit such a terrible act? How?
He was never my father. A true father of mine can never commit such an act.
Oh, wow. So, how was he buried?
I don't know.
What? What do you mean you don't know? You mean you didn't go back after his death?
Yes. I didn't want to behold his face. I will stay in this village and get what I'm looking for. Then, I will travel to the city.
So sorry about that. Huh? So sorry. Don't worry. I will check you later in the day when I return. Huh? Stop crying. Huh? Clean your tears. Huh?
Yeah, I have to be going now.
I will check on you. Bye. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Please, can you help me beg my mom not to tell Cheta's mom about what happened? Because if she does, I'm going to go to jail.
If your mom wants to go ahead and tell her, then let her do it. Alright? There's nothing bad there.
Why?
Because I'm tired of this. If I didn't listen to you and I went ahead and reported this issue to the police, I won't be in this mess with you today. Now look at me. You've made me an accomplice.
Can you be serious right now?
Listen, just let me be. Alright? Let me be. I have a lot in my head right now. Let me be.
So, this is it, right? This is all you have to say. No problem. Whatever happens, happens. I'll just take it as it's God's will. But God knows that I'm innocent. I am innocent and you're supposed to believe me.
So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala. Making no come knocking on your door. That time is about to know your why. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what you don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter, and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you know.
I'm not a fool to live with another woman in a matrimonial bed.
Oh, but what were you doing? What did you do? The two of you were locked up inside that room, not so? Were you both looking at each other?
It's not what you think.
Oh.
Alright, she locked the door and seized the key. She was only putting up an act to make it look like we were doing something. We were doing nothing.
Really? The morning and everything was just an act?
It was an act, babe. Listen, she was my ex. But I never promised her marriage while we were dating. I broke up with her before I met you and we got married. I had to know where she surfaced from, and then she said I must get married to her. And now she's trying to use the pictures as advantage. She locked the door. She locked me inside. I wanted to leave, but she locked me inside. But not to worry, I deleted the pictures already from her phone while she was asleep. First thing tomorrow morning, she's leaving this house.